Open up the sofa frame again. Align the screw holes on the armrests. Insert the screws in turn into the screw holes. Just twist it with your hands. Don't screw too tightly here. Smooth out the sand. Screw the outer screws into the screw holes in the same way. Again, place the handrail flat on the ground first. Stand the couch up again and align it with the screw holes. Screw the screws in turn. And then smooth out the sand. Screw in the outer screws. Finally, use a wrench to tighten each screw repeatedly. First, place the handrail flat on the ground, then unfold the seat and align it with the screw hole. Insert the screws into the screw holes in turn and gently twist a few turns. Next, install the armrest on the other side. When you're done, lift the couch up, then tighten the outer screws. Install the other single sofa in the same way. Finally, don't forget to tighten each screw in turn with the wrench. Start by aligning a table leg with the screw hole on one side. With the screw hole on one side, screw the screws into the screw holes in turn. Next, install the other side. Then install the middle bar. Again, hand the first two screws in. Then twist the other side.